Open your Canva project page and change your background color to this shade of gray. Bring in your Canva frame, go to upload and bring in your image. Now attach this image into the frame and adjust the size. You can either make it bolder or smaller depending on the type of poster you're trying to design. Once you're done, go back to your upload and bring in the same image. Increase the size of your image, increase it a little more. Perfect. Now let's move this aside. Double click on this framed image. Double click and simply move it up. We are trying to move it in a way that by the time we place the other image, it gives the pop out effect. Let's move it up a little bit. Done. Now click on this framed image and lock it. Bring in the other image, remove the background and move it up to match the framed image. Simply crop out this other side of the image so we can only see the edges of the framed image. Perfect. Add your small text box and type in any text of your choice. Go to Canvas and change your font. I'm choosing Enter. Change the color of your text to match your background. Duplicate and type in a subtext. In this case, I'm typing in Modern Ninovate Design. Go to text and add a subheading. Type in your text. I'm typing in Style. Go to Canvas and choose Archival Black. Go to Advanced Letter Setting and reduce the spacings between the letters. Increase the size of your text and move it up. It's perfect. Duplicate your text, go to Effect, choose Outline, and let's change the color to match our background. Go back to Effect. I think this color is better. This is better. Now go to Layers and move your text behind your image, and here is the final result. If you enjoyed this tutorial, kindly subscribe, comment, like and share.